Ladies and gentlemen, the Mayhow Employees of the Year 2025.
My name is Brian, Kitchen Supervisor of Copo Fortune Foods. It is truly an honor to receive the 2025 Employee of the Year Award. I stand here today to celebrate success, commitment, and determination. Without this, all things are impossible. This award is not just a recognition of results. It is a recognition of long hours, the perseverance, and the choice to keep going, even when it wasn't easy. I want to express my gratitude to everyone who supported me throughout this year. My team, my colleagues, my mentors, and everyone who believed in me. Your encouragement helped fuel my drive. Let us all continue to work hard even when no one is watching. Your hard work will always speak for itself. Thank you, Mayhow, for this opportunity. I will continue to strive, to grow, and to contribute to the same passion that brought me here today. Thank you and congratulations to all my fellow awardees.
I'm Jacob Pilar, Dining Supervisor of Copo Cebu. Looking back since I started, it was full of challenges and learnings. Now, 2025, it has been a year of growth, experiences, and learning. I grow faster, learn deeper, and wiser every decision I make. For me, 2025 is very productive and meaningful. I want to share it with the people who made it possible. My co-workers, my family, and most especially to my girlfriend. Thank you for being there, inspiring me to be better each day. Thank you, Mayhow, for believing in me. Your leadership and support helped me cross different challenges. I am forever grateful to part of this organization that values growth, success, and connection and making the real difference.
My name is Dennis, cook at Copo Fortune Foods, Mandawi. With my 8 years in this company, I have witnessed how the company grow. I saw how Sir Jerry and Doc Eric worked hard each day, and this inspires me to do the same. Thank you, Doc and Sir, for hiring me and making me part of Mayhow family. I have grown because of your guidance and learnings. Mabuhay, Mayhow!
I am Dexter Ian Almeron. I am a cashier at Copo Fortune Foods. I am deeply honored and grateful to receive this award. But first and foremost, I would like to say thank you to our Heavenly Father for the gift of strength and life, for guiding me and overcoming all the challenges in life. Second, to Mayhow. Thank you for the recognition. It means a lot to me to be acknowledged for my efforts and contributions. Doc, Sir, thank you for this opportunity. And lastly, to my colleagues, I am grateful to have such a wonderful team. It was a fantastic experience. I began working as a cashier at Copo Fortune Foods a year ago, and this year, I've learned that perseverance is the ability to keep going even when the road ahead seems long and challenging. In fact, I recall having a lot of trouble learning how to be a cashier in my first month. There are a lot of turnovers and also scolding from the customers. Did I give up? No. I used all of this as a strength to keep moving forward. My determination to learn, acknowledging my mistakes, and not letting failures defines me. Instead, I embraced experiences and shifted my perspective to see it as a step towards success. As we are about to welcome the new year, I am happy to accept a higher role as a dining supervisor in Mandawi. My dear colleagues, best of luck ahead. Your hard work and perseverance will pay off at the end. Keep moving forward and success will follow.
I am Region Rado, Kitchen Supervisor at Copo Cebu. First of all, I want to say thank you to Sir Jerry and Doc Eric for giving me 2 awards this year, Master Chef and Employee of the Year. Thank you for believing in my ability. I am grateful that I am a part of this amazing company. There is a saying that work is not always about salary, but a healthy workplace with a genuine people that respect and appreciates one another. Mabuhay, Mihaw!
I'm Gino Andre Mactao, service crew barista here in Kupu, Cebu. This year has been meaningful both personal life and work. Daghan kayong niaging challenges but daghan sa kayong learnings. Mao ang napakaligon ako og dedicated sa akong work. Og pasalamat ko sa mga tao na naghatag na kong suporta o pagsalig kada adlaw. Gusto na ko na ihatag o i-share nga award sa akong Team Cebu. Kung wala sila, wala ko diri karon. O pasalamat ko sa ninyo sa inyong pagsalig o pagkiusa. Siyempre, magpasalamat ko ni Sir Jerry De Leon and Doc Eric Rasala sa paggiya, pagsalig o pagdasig. And lastly, I want to give my sincere thanks to Mihaw for giving this opportunity. Dagang salamat kay usa ko sa Employee of the Year. And thanks for giving award and recognition. I wish Mihaw more growth and success in the coming years. Once again, thank you, Mihaw, and I'm truly honored.
My name is Jesseline Gopo, housekeeping at Lead Homes. It means a lot to me. I am deeply honored to receive this Employee of the Year Award 2025. This achievement is not just about me. This reflects the amazing individuals I have worked with and positive environment we have created together. Thank you, Mihaw, for believing in me. I will continue to do my best and contribute in any way I can.
I'm Jennifer Isias, Operation Manager of Mihaw Group. I'm deeply humbled to accept this award, Employee of the Year. This recognition is not just a celebration of my hard work, but of the teamwork, support, and inspiration, my family that makes this possible. To Sir Jerry De Leon and Doc Eric Lasala, thank you for this opportunity. Because of this company, I learned a lot, and it's really true. I have a bigger shoe to fill in, because Mihaw gives so much opportunities for me to grow. If you ask me what is the biggest blessing I received this year, I would say this opportunity to become one of the Employees of the Year. Thank you, Mihaw. More power.